One of the reasons I think the Node MCU is such an amazing little device is, as you can see here, it's doing a whole bunch of things, right? Visible and invisible. It's receiving wireless signals from the low sand platform on the cloud, and it's controlling this relay to operate any device in your house or outside, and it's also sending messages to this rather neat LED display. This device costs only about $3 to $5, and so when you have a situation where you have a number of devices that you want to control and perhaps a number of sensors that operate these devices, and you have your whole automation scheme, right? Sensors collect data, your platform on the cloud aggregates it, and then you use that data via IoT devices like this to switch devices in your home on and off. My recommendation is, given the low cost of all of the devices in here, the Node MCU chip, the relay, the OLED, the buck converter, this is pretty much as everything here you need to control almost any device you find in your house, from the garage door to a lamp to a television to a washing machine, or in this case it is controlling what goes in here is a solenoid valve. It controls a sprinkler in the garden. Since it is the same basic configuration, my recommendation is you use one of these chips for every device. It's only $3 to $5, right? And put it together in this way. This entire box is probably less than $20 of investment. $3 to $5 here, $3 to $5 here, $3 to $5 here, and $3 to $5 here, right? And the box itself, plus the cables. Build one of these for every device that you want to control. Likewise for every sensor. And then stitch it all together using a platform on the cloud like this one from Low Sand. So that way, you essentially have a system that is consisting of connected devices that are all decoupled from each other and only integrated by your brain in the cloud. And so if any of these devices fails, you still have a robust system, and you only need to go and intervene at one point, and you can do that very quickly. As opposed to having the old way of doing things, which was to have one very powerful microcomputer, like probably one that sits on a board that is bigger than this, and then wire all kinds of things to it, inputs, outputs, displays, and then have everything run off that one platform, that one microcomputer. So given the cost of these little devices and what they can do, it's so much better to break things down into subcomponents, give each one of these a chip, and then run the whole thing through the cloud, isn't it?